Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Jackson Hewitt Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Jackson Hewitt Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in jacksonhewitt.com and make a search. The official page of Jackson Hewitt account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines or menu icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Login Sign Up option. Choose your account to log in, and on the next page, enter your username and password associated with the Jackson Hewitt Tax account and tap on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Jackson Hewitt Tax account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.